Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how I hem my long green and pink last sheet. You're going to need 3.5 yards by 22.5 inches of each fabric. Start by placing the right side or the shiny side face down. Then you're going to baste stitch the edges. Make sure that you baste stitch as close to the edge as possible. When you're done with baste stitching, it should look something like this, and this will prevent your fabric from stretching. Next, you're going to fold the edge. Make sure the baste stitching is right in the middle, and then you're going to fold one more time. Carefully place the roll hemmed right under your presser foot. When you get to the corners, it gets pretty tricky. This is the challenging part. You're going to make sure that the needle is still down. You're going to lift up the presser foot and turn your fabric around. You may have to use your manual hand wheel to finish the corners. You will manually fold the edges as you sew. Make sure that the baste stitching is in the middle. If it's on the side of the roll, that's fine too. Don't forget to cut the salvage side out. I forgot to show you this earlier. You're going to repeat the same steps for the pink fabric. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video on how I fold and prep my hlab for storage. I guess I should have disclaimed this at the beginning, but I just want to say that I'm not a professional and whatever I do is what works for me. If you have any questions and or suggestions, please leave me a comment. If you like what you see, please like and share this video and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.